How to add a credit card to Booking.com. Adding a credit card to your Booking.com account is a quick and easy process that ensures seamless payments for your future reservations. Follow these simple steps to securely store your card details within the app. First, open the Booking.com application on your mobile device. Once inside the app, locate and tap on the My Account option, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage various preferences related to your profile and bookings. Next, scroll through the list of options until you find payment methods. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll see a section dedicated to managing your saved payment details. To add a new card, simply tap the Add Card button located at the bottom of the screen. At this stage, you have two choices. You can manually enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, ensuring all information is accurate before proceeding. Alternatively, you can use your device's camera to scan your card automatically. This feature allows you to capture your card details quickly and securely without the need for manual entry. Once you've entered or scanned the required details, review the information carefully before saving it. After confirmation, your card will be successfully added to your Booking.com account, making future transactions faster and more convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.